This one, don't copy this at home. Only professional do this. Usually don't open this when hot. But because I just want to see something, so when I open this, it's okay, Steve, I already opened this. Mga kahandsome, for today's video, another public service for our followers. So, we've got a booking here for 1 o'clock, right? How did you find us, my friend?
Through Facebook.
Through Facebook as well?
Yep.
Okay, so tell me, what's the background of this one? You bought this one from?
From Marketplace.
Marketplace.
Yeah.
So private sale.
Yeah.
Okay, so our customer here, he bought the, what year model is this Toyota Hilux?
2010.
2010. Size of motor?
2.7.
Okay, tell me, why do you want to bring the car in our workshop?
Just idling rough.
Idling rough?
Yeah, just want to give it a check.
Okay, so the issue was the idle, it's rough idling.
Yep.
Okay, now, it's idling rough. What have you done on your end?
Change the fuel filter, change the spark plug.
Change spark plug. Why did you end up changing the fuel filter? You thought
Because of maybe I thought the injector's blocked. Or
correct. Was there any warning light on the dash?
No.
Nothing? No warning light,
No.
but it's just idling rough.
Yeah.
Then you change spark plugs?
Yep.
Then,
Then I checked the coils. The coil was
so
good.
you bought one brand new,
Yeah, and tried it.
try to swap it every
Yeah,
cylinder?
yep.
Did it help?
No.
It didn't help. It's still rough idling.
Yeah.
Okay, so you book here.
Yeah.
Technically, I should be charging you diagnosis for public service because he followed me on Facebook. Okay, he thought that there is a leak. Look at this. Look at this leak on the radiator. Okay? Okay, can you see the leak? So straight away, I asked him, did it overheat? So when he said he didn't, but I didn't believe him because can you see this mark there? Can you see this white, what do you call this, my friend? White stuff, like
It's probably cooler.
it's like something like fluid that, you know, I don't know the term. Okay, you can see it everywhere.
Yeah.
See here? It's a sign of coolant. So, I suspected that the engine has overheated. So, I'm gonna try to start the car. Okay. This one, don't copy this at home. Only professional do this. Usually don't open this when hot. But because I just wanna see something, so when I open this, it's okay, Steve, I already opened this. Relax. Okay, look at this. When I open this, I saw a lot of bubbles there. Small bubbles, but it's feeling like froth in the coffee. And this one is a sign of a stop leak chemical from the previous owner. In my opinion, I hope I'm wrong. The reason why this car has been sold at a discounted price, there was a hidden issue. It could have been overheated before. So by the looks of it, I do not want to give the customer a false hope, but 90% this car has overheated before, and based on my experience, it has a blown head gasket. Now, what is the legal stand of the customer? In New South Wales, when you buy the car under a private arrangement, most likely you won't get a warranty. Unless you know the vendor, his location, you can contact him, but you're not allowed to harass him. So the best thing is, when you're buying a car, before you pay the car, make sure that you take it to a reputable mechanic. As I have been telling our followers, you have to take it to the mechanic. This kind of issue, I would have picked it up because this car has been bought only 2 months ago. Now the customer has to spend around 3,500 for the blown head gasket. You could have avoided that had you brought the car to us. The mechanic can pick that one up if it is severe. If it is not, then that's a bad one. Okay, so in this case, I didn't charge our customer a diagnosis. I just told him it is more likely that your engine has a blown head gasket. Now he needs to save a little bit of money, but in the meantime he will try to communicate with the vendor. But in my opinion, I don't think he will be lucky if the vendor will not block him. Okay, so my friend, radiator and a blown head gasket. No offense, this car is a very good car if you look after it. But thank you for trying us. Thank you for following it up.
Yep.
And what's your experience?
Number 1.
Number 1? Okay, I'm not charging you for the thing. Just follow us on Facebook. And for our followers, make sure before you buy a car, whether it's private or it's a dealership, make sure that you take the car to a mechanic who can check the car for you. Okay, and even this one, look at this. Okay, this should be fixed properly. Thank you so much, my friend. If you're happy with us, drop a feedback on our Google.